In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password on Adobe Acrobat. Before we start, a quick reminder. Only remove a password from a PDF you own or have permission to modify, and make sure you know the current password. You'll also want a stable internet connection because we're using Acrobat on the web. First, open your browser and go to Adobe Acrobat Home. If you're asked to sign in, do that now so you can access the tools. This web interface lets you work with PDFs without installing anything, and your files stay in your account while you make changes. Once you're on the home page, look for the Edit area and click Edit. This brings up the main workspace where Acrobat groups tools for working with your PDFs. Don't worry if it looks a little different on your screen. Adobe occasionally updates the layout, but the labels stay consistent. Next, choose Select a File, browse to your PDF, or drag and drop it if that's easier. If the file is protected, Acrobat may show a lock indicator. That's expected. Your goal is to authenticate first, so you can adjust the security. Now, switch to the Protect a PDF tool. It might sound counterintuitive when you're trying to remove a password, but Acrobat organizes all password and permission controls under Protect. You go here to manage existing protection, which includes turning it off once you've verified access. If you're prompted again, click Select a File. Sometimes Acrobat carries over the file you already chose. Other times, it asks you to pick it again. Either approach is fine, just make sure you've got the same document open in the Protect tool. Then drag your PDF into the window if needed and type the current password. Enter it carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, and it's easy to miss a capital letter or a special character. If you paste the password, double check for extra spaces. After you authenticate, Acrobat unlocks the document within the Protect workspace. At this point, the file is open and its security settings are available to manage. From here, you can turn off password protection and save the document so it no longer requires a password when opened. It's a good idea to save a new copy, keeping your original as a backup, especially if this is an important document. If your screen looks different, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. Also, ensure you're using a supported browser. With these steps, you'll have your PDF unlocked and ready to use without a password.